what we have right here is a dryer. Everything, that's the drum, all apart. So we're having some issues with the heating element. One sensor, the high limit switch was open, so now I replace it, this bad boy here. So we're going to try to run this machine just like this. This design with a switch. So hear the noise? Switch closer. I use this level to close the switch just to test it. So now it's already plugged in, and let's see what happened. Okay, there we go. That is what we want to see. That's what we want to see. And it's feeling warm, hot. So this is how it operated. Suck the hot air through this chamber, then the hot air come in onto your clothes, and the cycle keep going. And that is how your clothes get hot. Your clothes get dry. So we feel satisfied with the result. So that's it for the day. Turn off and always unplug your equipment when you're gonna work. Always unplug. Okay.